Hello everyone, I am Ananya Kumari from BCom Professional First M. I am here to present the presentation on calculation of mark sheet. Here, in some institution, the teacher faces so many difficulties in manual calculation, but by the help of Excel, they get the result correctly and get accuracy in the result. By using hyperlink, I have created a link where an example was given is given a mark sheet of students. Here is an example related to topics where a teacher has to calculate the marks of a student in different subjects. Here is the mark sheet of a student. So first of all, we have to calculate the total marks of the student. For the calculation of total, we have to put an formula is equal to SUM bracket open. We have to select the subjects, then bracket close, enter. Without wasting our time, we can also put the same the formula by using drag field handle. So the formula will be same, but the amount will be different. In average calculation, the formula is equal to average bracket open, then the total marks which has been obtained by the student will be we have to put, which is in F3 and divided by 3. 3 is because there are 3 subjects: science, maths and computer. Then we have to close the bracket, then enter. By using drag field handle, we put the same formula in all the students. For finding out the maximum scores that any student have scored, for the maximum the formula is equal to max bracket open. Then we will select the marks of all the students which have scored in science, then bracket close, enter. Then we have found the maximum value, which is 90, which has obtained by Swati. Now with the same formula, by using drag field handle, we will put the same result in different subjects also. Then we will calculate the total marks, which formula is equal to SUM bracket open. We will select all the marks of 5 students, then we will close the bracket and enter. By using,
instead of total,
yes sir,
try to find out average score for science, math and computer. Clear? Instead of total, go for average.
Average.
That means teacher wanted to know the average marks subject wise, right?
Okay sir. First of all, I have to write.
This will make a sense.
Equal to average bracket open. We will select the marks of the students, then bracket close, enter. Then the average is 73.4. By using drag fill handle, we will put the same formula in the math section and computer section also. So here is my example of how to calculate the mark sheet of a student that teachers. If the teacher is facing any difficulty in manual calculation, but by the help of Excel, he or she get more accuracy in his or her result. Thank you.
Ask the question. Invite the question to the student.
Is there any question?
Hello Ananya, my name is Arunima Abba. I want to ask why specifically you use Microsoft Excel to calculate the mark sheet of the students?
Because it is an very reliable source which helps so many institution and any business to calculate accurately in any result.
It would be more precise if you can say that it is electronic spreadsheet. So whenever you do any changes in any cell, automatically that changes are getting reflected all across the worksheet. So this is the best advantage if you do any changes in anywhere. So everything are getting changed accordingly. So this is the another advantage of having Excel for this kind of calculation. Anyway, Ananya, it's a very good presentation given by you on the calculation of mark sheet. Thank you very much.